Hi, in this video I'll explain you the solution I came up with to rename all these files. So the goal here was to add the date, time when the file was created for each file. Now, to understand this code, you first need to watch the previous video where I explained how you can get the date when a file was created. So please watch that video if you didn't do so already. And this is the code. So I import path, import datetime from datetime, and then create a root directory path object. So files. So now we can work on files. We can get all the items inside files, which is December, November, also text files. And if the item is a file, so we check if it's a file, we do these. If not, we don't do anything. So if it's not a file, we don't do anything if it's a folder. And created date is this one here. So what we do is we first get different stats about the file, data, size, etc. But we extract only the time when the file was created with this property. So that gives us the seconds from 1st of January 1970, and then we convert that into a real date time, a human readable date time, year, month, seconds, and so on. We convert that datetime object then into a string, and then the new file name is that string plus an underscore plus path.name. Path.name is a.txt, b.txt, and so on. And the path object then, as usual, we have that and rename that. So not so hard, not so easy. I hope you share the same opinion with me. And let's move on with more videos. See you.